Good morning, everybody. We are going to be doing a bread collaboration, and I'm going to be making an everything bread. I like to thank everybody that has participated in this bread collaboration, and I'm going to read the YouTube channels off, and it will also be in the description box below. Stacy's Country Cooking, Jeanette Pickering, Homestead Corner, Striving for the Simple Life, Katata Cook and Mama's Homestead, Tara's Crazy Life, The Neil's Homestead, and me, MAINEiac Grammie. So I'm gonna pan you down. I'm gonna start making my bread. Don't forget to go check the other channels out. If you like what you see, don't forget, ring their bell, ring-a-ding-ding. We'll be right back. Okay, we're going to get ready. We're going to put 5 1/4 cups of flour in. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1/4, just like that. We're going to put 2 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. I'm doing 4. And we're going to do 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt. I use pink Himalayan, and there's half. And let's see, the 1 teaspoon right here. And there's 1 right there. And now we're going to do 2 rounded tablespoons of yeast. And this is the yeast that I use. Comes in a 1-pound container. Okay. 1 and 2. Just like that. I really like this yeast. It does really well for me. It's an instant yeast. And we are going to do 1 1/2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to run some hot water now. Okay. And that's 1 1/2 oil. And this is of your choice. All I have is a large container here. 1, about 1/2 right there. Now I'll go get my hot water. Hope everyone's doing well today. I want 2 cups of hot water. I don't like to leave mine sitting around, that's why I wait to the end. So you want flour, sugar, salt, yeast, oil, and 2 cups of hot water. Just like that. I'm going to mix it in my bread machine here, my Sunbeam. Let's see, we got to hit it on 8. That's the dough cycle. And I will bring you back when it's ready to be formed up and put in the pan. I'm back. I almost forgot again. I'm always used to making white bread. This is the everything mix right here going in. And that is 1/3 cup. And this is what it looks like right here. Comes in a great big container. Okay, folks, my beeper just went off, and I'm going to put a little flour on my hands. My hands are nice and clean. Wow, the bread came all the way to the top. Awesome. Here it is right here. Now I'm going to put a little bit of powder on my board. I don't want to put a lot on there. Okay, I'm going to dump the dough out. I am so thankful for my bread machine right now. Look at this. Can you see the onion in there? It's a little sticky, which is okay. I'm just gonna put a little flour on it. I don't know what I've done to my shoulder, but it sure hurts. I'm gonna get my dough scraper out. One thing I did forget, I got a couple of them. I just picked the first one. Works a little bit better when you got a dough scraper. Yeah, oh, this dough is just beautiful. Look at this. Put my finger in, it pops right back up. This is really, really yummy dough. I don't want to work it a lot. I don't want to put a lot of flour on it. That's probably about all I'm going to put. I am one that does not work my dough a lot. Just like this. I'm just going to use my little French roller here, and I'm just going to burp any air that may be in it. Push it, oh, pop, pop, pop. Just can't push it that hard now, can I? That may be in it out. What I call burp is any, see like right here, little air pockets. Yeah, push it down. Just got a little bit of air out of that. Just like that. Like I said, I'm not going to work it a lot. The air's burping out good. Perfect. Use my hands a little. I'm using this pan here from IKEA. I've got it sprayed and floured. Just gonna roll it up a little here. Need a little help rolling. It's like that. Wow. I wish there was smell-o-vision because it sure does smell good. We like homemade bread. This will go in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. It's gonna be just like this. And there you have it, like that. I'm gonna get some plastic wrap. I use this, I love this. Stretch tight. And then what I do is I spray a little on here. Then I'm gonna take it and rip it off. Then I set it right over the top while it's rising, just like that. So I'll bring you back when I take it out of the oven. Here it is here. It looks absolutely wonderful. I'm going to take this off very gently. And look at that. All that yummy poppy seeds and dried onions and garlic. Okay, I'm gonna pop it in the oven and I'll bring you back. Okay, here's the bread here. It looks absolutely yummy. And I like to take a little butter, just a little dab of do ya? And I like to just put it on the top. When you make homemade breads, it just softens the crust. And I don't mind the hard crusty crust either, but this is nice and warm, just out of the oven. I wanna say thank you again to everybody that participated in this collab. It's a lot of fun, and I hope we can share our recipes for the folks that can't find bread. And let's pray that we all can continue buying flour. I always buy mine 50 pounds at a time. So when I get half mine gone, I've always had to get more flour. But we're gonna let this sit for maybe 10-15 minutes, we'll see. It's very hot. We'll take it out of the pan and go from there. Okay, folks, here's the bread right here. Doesn't it look wonderful? It came out really good. We are going to cut, I guess, on this side. Take just a little piece off. And I think we're going to have French toast with this tomorrow. There. Now look at that. I don't think you're getting a glare. I hope not. There. Just like that. Look at that. Doesn't that look great? Now, I'm going to butter it. Use the same one here. Give it a little taste test. Oh boy, if it smells half as good as it's gonna taste, it will be so yummy. Okay, I'm gonna bring you up. Hey, I'm back, all in one shot. Okay, here we go. 1 second, pumpkin. Sorry about that, here I am. So good. So this is an everything bread. Everything will be in the description box below. And don't forget to go check out the other channels. I'll have links all down below on this. This is an everything bread. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Thanks everybody that was in the collab. And God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Peace, hope, and be kind to everybody. See ya.